Have you ever wondered what a snail, a clam, and an octopus have in common? At first glance, they seem like vastly different creatures, don't they? One is slow and slimy, another is encased in a hard shell, and the third is a master of underwater camouflage. Yet, despite their apparent differences, these fascinating creatures share a common bond. They all belong to a remarkable phylum called Mollusca. This phylum is one of the most diverse groups of animals on Earth. Mollusks come in an astonishing variety of forms. From the humble garden snail to the mysterious deep-sea octopus, they exhibit an incredible range of adaptations that allow them to thrive in almost every environment on the planet. With over 100,000 known species, mollusks are a testament to the power of evolution. They inhabit a wide range of habitats, from the depths of the ocean to the arid deserts and lush forests. Each species has evolved unique traits that help it survive and reproduce in its specific environment. In the ocean, you can find mollusks clinging to rocks, burrowing in the sand, or swimming gracefully through the water. In forests, snails and slugs play a crucial role in the ecosystem by breaking down decaying plant material. Even in the harsh conditions of the desert, certain snails have adapted to survive with minimal water. The diversity of mollusks is not just limited to their habitats. They also exhibit an astonishing array of colors, shapes, and sizes. Some mollusks, like the vibrant sea slugs, are known for their brilliant colors, which can serve as a warning to predators or a means of camouflage. Size is another area where mollusks show remarkable diversity. Some, like the giant squid, can grow to enormous sizes, reaching lengths of up to 43 feet. These giants of the deep are among the largest invertebrates on Earth. On the other end of the spectrum, there are microscopic snails that are barely visible to the naked eye. These tiny mollusks play a vital role in their ecosystems, often serving as a food source for other animals. Despite their differences, all mollusks share some common features. They typically have a soft body, which in many species is protected by a hard shell. They also have a muscular foot, which they use for movement, and a radula, a unique feeding organ that functions like a toothed tongue. These commonalities, hidden beneath their varied exteriors, reveal their shared evolutionary history. By studying these features, scientists can trace the evolutionary paths of different mollusk species and understand how they have adapted to their environments over millions of years. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of mollusks and uncover the secrets behind their success. From their incredible diversity to their unique adaptations, mollusks offer a window into the wonders of evolution and the resilience of life on Earth. One of the key features that has contributed to the success of mollusks is their mantle. This unique structure is not just a simple covering. It plays a crucial role in the life and survival of these fascinating creatures. The mantle is a fold of skin that envelops their soft bodies, providing a protective layer. It is an essential part of their anatomy, serving multiple functions that are vital for their existence. Think of it as a cloak that not only covers but also secretes a hard, protective shell in most mollusks. This shell is continuously produced by the mantle, growing and thickening over time to offer better protection. The shell is a remarkable feat of biological engineering. It is composed of multiple layers, each with its own unique properties that contribute to the overall strength and durability of the shell. It is made of calcium carbonate, the same material that makes up coral reefs and eggshells. This mineral composition gives the shell its hardness and resilience, allowing it to withstand various environmental pressures. The shell provides protection from predators and the environment. When threatened, mollusks can retreat into their shells, using this hard barrier as a shield against potential dangers. The design of the shell can vary greatly among different species. It can be a simple, single piece, like in snails, offering a compact and efficient form of protection. Or it can be a complex structure with two hinged parts, like in clams. This design allows for greater flexibility and movement, enabling the mollusk to open and close its shell as needed. The variety of shapes and colors of mollusk shells is truly astounding. Each species has evolved its own unique shell design, reflecting its habitat, lifestyle, and evolutionary history. From the spiraled shells of snails to the intricate patterns of clams, the diversity is a testament to the adaptability and creativity of nature. Another remarkable feature of many mollusks is their radula. This is a tongue-like structure covered in rows of tiny teeth. Imagine it as a miniature rasp or file. Mollusks use their radula for a variety of purposes depending on their feeding habits. Some, like snails and slugs, use it to scrape algae off rocks. Others, like predatory sea snails, use their radula to drill holes in the shells of their prey. The radula is a highly adaptable tool. Its shape and size vary depending on the mollusk's diet. This adaptability is one of the reasons why mollusks have been so successful in colonizing a wide range of habitats. The largest group of mollusks is the gastropods. This group includes snails, slugs, limpets, and sea slugs. Gastropods are found all over the world, in both aquatic and terrestrial habitats. One of the most distinctive features of gastropods is their stomach foot. This is a muscular foot that they use for crawling. Some gastropods, like sea slugs, have modified their foot into wing-like structures that allow them to swim. Gastropods have diverse feeding habits. Some are herbivores, some are carnivores, and some are even parasites. Their adaptations for feeding are as varied as their habitats. Section 5. Bivalves, the filter-feeding two-shelled animals. Bivalves are a remarkable group of mollusks that have adapted to a variety of aquatic environments. They are found in both marine and freshwater habitats, showcasing their incredible versatility and resilience. This group includes clams, oysters, mussels, and scallops. Each of these species has unique characteristics and adaptations that allow them to thrive in their specific environments. For instance, clams often burrow into the sand, while mussels attach themselves to rocks and other hard surfaces, using strong thread-like structures called byssal threads. Bivalves have two shells, or valves, that are hinged together. These shells provide protection from predators and environmental hazards. The shells are made of calcium carbonate, which the bivalves secrete from their mantle, a specialized tissue that lines the inside of the shell. The two shells are connected by a flexible ligament that allows them to open and close. This mechanism is crucial for their feeding and protection. When threatened, bivalves can quickly close their shells to avoid predators. These animals are filter feeders. They draw water into their shells through a siphon, filtering out tiny particles of food, such as plankton and algae. This feeding method is highly efficient and allows bivalves to thrive in nutrient-rich waters. As they filter feed, bivalves play a crucial role in maintaining the health of aquatic ecosystems. By removing excess nutrients and particles from the water, they help to improve water quality and clarity. This in turn benefits other marine organisms and contributes to the overall balance of the ecosystem. Bivalves play an important role in aquatic ecosystems by filtering water and improving water quality. Their presence can significantly reduce the levels of harmful algae and other pollutants, making the environment more hospitable for other species. Some bivalves, like oysters, are prized for their pearls. These beautiful and valuable gems are formed through a fascinating natural process that begins when an irritant, such as a grain of sand, gets lodged between the mantle and the shell. Pearls are formed when an irritant, such as a grain of sand, gets lodged between the mantle and the shell. The oyster's mantle responds by secreting layers of nacre, a smooth, iridescent substance, around the irritant. Over time, these layers build up to form a pearl. The mantle secretes layers of nacre, a smooth, iridescent substance, around the irritant, eventually forming a pearl. This process can take several years, and the result is a stunning, lustrous gem that has been highly valued by humans for centuries. Pearls are not only beautiful but also a testament to the incredible biological processes that occur within these fascinating two-shelled animals. Cephalopods, the intelligent ink squirters. Cephalopods are perhaps the most intelligent and fascinating group of mollusks. This group includes octopuses, squid, cuttlefish, and nautiluses. Cephalopods are highly active predators with complex nervous systems and remarkable intelligence. They have large, well-developed eyes that are similar in structure to our own. Cephalopods are also masters of camouflage. They can change the color and texture of their skin to match their surroundings in the blink of an eye. If threatened, some cephalopods can release a cloud of ink to confuse predators and make their escape. Their agility, intelligence, and camouflage abilities make them formidable hunters. Chitons, the eight-shelled wonders. Chitons are a less familiar but equally fascinating group of mollusks. These ancient creatures have 8 overlapping shells or plates that cover their bodies. Chitons are found in marine environments around the world, typically clinging to rocks in the intertidal zone. They have a strong, muscular foot that they use to adhere tightly to rocks even in strong waves. Chitons are herbivores, grazing on algae and other plant matter that grows on rocks. Their radula is specially adapted for scraping food off hard surfaces. Mollusks, essential to life and livelihood. Mollusks play a vital role in marine ecosystems and human economies. They are an important food source for many animals, including fish, birds, and humans. Shellfish such as clams, oysters, and mussels are a popular delicacy around the world. They are also an important source of income for many coastal communities. However, mollusks are facing threats from habitat loss, pollution, and climate change. It is essential that we protect these fascinating creatures and the ecosystems they inhabit. The enduring allure of mollusks. From the iridescent beauty of their shells to their remarkable adaptations for survival, mollusks continue to fascinate and inspire us. Their diversity is a testament to the power of evolution, and their importance to our planet is undeniable. By learning more about these amazing creatures, we can appreciate their beauty and work to ensure their survival. So next time you encounter a mollusk, take a moment to marvel at its unique place in the web of life.